Hello friend, I am Raihanul Islam. I have bought a special product. Product name JoggAi. Product description: on-time payment, lifetime deal. Turn static product page and asset into in-game video ads with AI. 91 reviews. Price $79. 85% commission. Select plan. This plan license 1, license 2, license 3. Buy now. 60 days money back guarantee. Try it out for 2 months to make sure it's right for you. Best for content creator, marketers, marketing agency. Overview: JoggAi helps you turn boring product links or asset into in-game video ads without lifting a finger. This is video. Click here.
Hey Sumolings, it's Jay with AppSumo, the best place to get insane deals on software. Today we're taking a look at JoggAi, the easiest way to turn boring product links or assets into engaging video ads without lifting a finger. Creating professional video ads used to mean expensive equipment, specialized skills, and hours of work. But not anymore thanks to JoggAi. Now you can boost engagement and increase sales without the hassle or the price tag. Once you find that Get Started button, click it. Now take a product URL, like your Shopify or Amazon page, paste it into the box and click Analyze URL. JoggAi will automatically extract the important stuff, like the product name, description, and media. If you got more visuals, you can upload those too. No URL? No worries. You can manually upload content in the Products tab. So let's get this show on the road. JoggAi is going to need a few details from you, like the aspect ratio, video length, language, and a short description of your target audience. From here, JoggAi will bang out a unique script for your specific product. You can edit the script or just run with it. The base plan gives you just enough to get started. But if you want the best bang for your buck, I'm talking unlimited credits, 15-minute videos, 10 avatars, and batch video creation, then lock in at tier 3. Now it's time to pick your template, avatar, and music. This is where it all starts to come together. You can even include cool motion effects to make your video more dynamic and keep viewers engaged for longer. In Quick Edit, you can easily swap out images, change the layout, and adjust the avatar. Pro Edit gives you full control with separate tracks for scenes, media, avatars, text, and music. It's like a mini professional editing suite, but you don't need 10 YouTube tutorials to figure out how to use it. It's easy to fine-tune everything, adjust text, add AI voices, tweak avatars, you name it. You can create an AI version of yourself. Once you hit render, JoggAi will put on all the finishing touches. And with JoggAi's batch mode, you'll be able to create up to 100 videos at once. That's a whole lot of promo videos for one ridiculously low price. So take advantage of this limited time offer. Click on Buy Now to lock in your lifetime access to JoggAi today.
Generated video from URLs. AI video generator. Product video with AI. Configure video setting. Generate a script with the help of AI. Automatically generate video ads. AI powered feature. Created an AI avatar. Video forms for any industry. Plan and feature. Lifetime access to Jogg AI. All feature start. Trial 1, trial 2, trial 3 plan updates. If plan name change, deal will be mapped to the new plan name with all accompanying updates. 60 days money back guarantee. Feature include in all plan. Unlimited video previews, unlimited AI avatars, unlimited AI voice, unlimited video template, access to all free tools, fast video processing, watermark removal, etc. One time purchase $79. Buy now. All feature above include. One time purchase trial 2. Buy now. Trial 3 one time purchase $449. From founder Unbang XU. This product link my description. Thank you so much.